Hi, my name is Sarah Jane Soriaga. I'm married with 4 children. I work in Qatar since September 2022 until March 2023. I'm a fast learner and I have a long patience with especially with children and elderly ones. I love them because I have elderly here in our house. I take care of her. She's 86 years old, and I'm willing to learn more about your country. And I can work with other helper, but I prefer working alone so I can concentrate what I'm doing. I love children and I love them to cook for them, and I'm willing to learn more about your country. Thank you, and I hope you see my profile in library apps. Thanks.